Kulapha ke zihlanganiselwa khona indaba ngamalimi wonke asemthethweni nanzi ezijujileko.
The issue of young people that are not in employment must be treated as a national emergency.
Ihlanganisela yama-union ikhosathu ithi yikulu indima ekhanjiweko ngabasebenzi kodwana iintjhijilo ezikhona sezingaphezu kwendima ekhanjiweko.
We know that workers faced with challenges of unemployment, inequality, and the erosion of job security.
Isekela likaMongameli uPaul Mashatile uthi nangaphasi kombuso wentando eningi abasebenzi basalila ngemisebenzi nokungalingani.
Ona le mo ile gore ba ba shube ba na le di-toilet tša bona fela ba subana ba na le di-toilet ebile ba namela ka morago ba sa namele ka pele.
Basalila abasebenzi bathi umnotho ufadalele ukuthi nakunjalo bese ababi nobalekelo ngoba nemigomo kahulumende ayibabonelela abasebenzi ngendlela kungakho zimbonwa ngibo abasebenzi. Kulilanga labasebenzi ilanga elikhulu lalaba abathwala umnotho welizwe siyalotshisa begodwa sibawa nisamukele emakhaya. NginguCedric Mwebya wendaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 lotshani. I-Union yabasebenzi ikhosathu nenhlangano ezibasebenzisani bayo bakhumbule ilanga labasebenzi e-Old Peter Mokaba Stadium ePolokwane eLimpopo. Hlangana nezinto ezigandelelwe khulu emnyanyeni lo lizinga eliphezulu lokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi, ukubiza khulu kwempilo nokusebenzisana kwenhlangano ukuphumelelisa iminqopho ebekela phambili abasebenzi.
Bekubuvukube kukhunjulwa ilanga labasebenzi. Umengameli wekhosathu uzingiswa lose uthi ukuhlogeka komsebenzi kufanele kuphathwe njengehlekelele elizweni. Ulosi ungezelele ngokuthi kufanele kusekelwe umnotho wemakhaya khulukhulu amabhizinisi amancane ukuqinisekisa ukuthi nawo abayingcenye womnotho weSouth Africa.
The issue of unemployment, the issue of young people that are not in employment must be treated as a national emergency. If we are then to deal with issues of unemployment, we must begin by supporting our own economy.
Ulosi uthi kufanele kusetshenziswane ukuqinisekisa ukuthi kube kwabasebenzi phambili ingasi iminqopho yenhlangano ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo.
We must never, comrades, allow our differences to divide workers.
We need cool heads. We need to relax. Otherwise, we will commit errors and mistakes.
Nakusesenjalo abanye abathengisi abazisebenzela bona bathi abasiboni isizathu sokugidinga ilanga labasebenzi ngombana bangakahlolisa njengabasebenzi emkhakheni eqinisekisiweko. Bathi baqalana neentjhijilo babodwa ezifaka hlangana ukuthola isekelo laneleko elivela eminyangweni kahulumende.
I take it as a history, just a holiday to me.
Ulosi uveze nomthelela wokubiza khulu kwezinto wathi kubangela ukuthi abasebenzi nemindeni abo bazithole bangene ngehloko enkweleteni. Wakhombela ukuthi kuqiniswa amajima wokusekela abasebenzi. Ngingunontokozo Sikhosana wendaba ze-SABC ngikubekela ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Isekela likaMongameli uPaul Mashatile uthi nangaphasi kombuso wentando eningi abasebenzi basaraga nokuqalana neentjhijilo zokuhloga imisebenzi ungalingani kunye nemisebenzi engabambeleliko. Lapha iningi lisalila ngokunikelwa amathuba angcono kezomnotho. uMashatile bekakhuluma ngelanga labasebenzi etatawini lezemidlalo iPeter Mokaba eLimpopo.
Isitshijilo selesijugulukile ukusuka ekulwisaneni nombuso webandlululo ukuya ekuqalaneni nomtlhago, ubukhohlakali kunye nokungaphathwa kuhle kwabasebenzi. Uthi iningi labantu beSouth Africa basaraga nokuqalana neentjhijilo ezifaka hlangana ukungalingani kunye nesibalo esiphezulu sokungasebenzi kwelutsha.
We know that workers faced with challenges of unemployment, inequality, and the erosion of job security.
uMashatile ugandelele ukuqhakatheka kokuvikelwa kwamalungelo wabasebenzi bekulalelwe inlilo zabasebenzi abalwela ichaphuluko. Uthi ukugidinga kwelanga labasebenzi kuthwaya isikhumbuzo sokubana umzabalazo wabo angeze walibalwa.
Today, as we commemorate or celebrate Workers' Day, we affirm that their struggle is not forgotten. Their endurance and their courage is our call to action to build a South Africa where labor is honored, where the rights are protected, and where every worker shares in the fruits of his or her labor.
uMashatile uthi amaqalo ndanzi wabo ngokuqinisekisa ukuthi bonke abasebenzi bayingcenye yomnotho weSouth Africa pha ngokwakhiwa kwamabubulo nokuthuthukiswa kwemthangalasisekelo kunye nokusekelwa kwamabhizinisi asakhasako nokuvula amathuba wemisebenzi ebantwini abatsha.
Our priorities are focused on driving inclusive economic growth through industrialization, localization, and infrastructure development. Our immediate task is to create the much needed jobs at scale, particularly for young people.
uMashatile uqinisekise nesimemezelo esenziwe ngumengameli Cyril Ramaphosa sokubana amakhetho wabohulumende bemakhaya ayokubanjwa mhla amalanga 4 kuSinyikhaba.
eMpumalanga hlangana nokhunye okuvezwe basebenzi ukuthi impilo seyabiza. Leso sitshijilo esiqalene nabasebenzi. ICOSATU ikhombele bona alize msinyana ehlelo le-insurance yempilo i-National Health Insurance ukulwa nokuvalwa kwempehligezi. I-union le ithwaye ilanga labasebenzi kaBhokweni eMpumalanga.
Ilanga labasebenzi lanonyaka likhunjulwa ngesikhathi lapho umnotho welizwe ubogaboga khona. Badose emhlweni abasebenzi.
We as workers were suffering. We as workers were getting little pay. We as workers were marginalized and exploited in our workplace.
They give us what is not actually expected, what is not in accordance with the current economic discourse in the country.
ICOSATU bawa ama-union alungisa ubudlelwano bawo nabasebenzi.
There's no time for us to be bickering amongst ourselves. We must unite, we must organize, we must mobilize, because we must be ready to wage these struggles from now going forward.
Abasebenzisani beCOSATU bavuma nabo.
We've been talking about growing economy, but now we looked at where it should start, at the municipality. That's why we say we want to strengthen the municipality so that local economic development will be there, and we also bring the trust of investors into the country.
Workers must come together in the name of unity. We may belong to different trade union membership cards, but we face the same system.
Nakusenjalo akusibo bonke abasebenzi abagidinga ilangeli. Abatshayeli bamatraga abamakhulu alikhomba be-Izusa bangahle baphelelwe umsebenzi.
We've been told that they are praying for a new investor that's going to come in place and assist the company because the company is in crisis.
It's going to affect us because the number, if you can count the number of the drivers and the OPS staff, it makes maybe 700. So if you times that number on our dependents, in those people who depend on us, it is going to be 40 to 50,000.
ICOSATU ihleli imatshi yelizwe zombelele yokuzwakalisa inlilo zabasebenzi.
Kanti njengoba nakukhunjulwa ilanga labasebenzi namhlanje, abasebenzi bemaplasini basadosa nzima ngepatho emaplasini. Abanye balala ngokuthi basabandlulula, banjalo nje bahlala endaweni ezingakafanele bona zingahlala umuntu. Njengomayisela Likolwane warakhwatha ezebidiyela wathoma ukusebenza emaplasa ngo-2021 kodwa uthi namhlanje ngesikhathi sechaphuluko bandlulo sasekhona.
Go na le mo e leng gore ba bashuube ba na le dithoelete tša bona fela, ba basubana ba na le dithoelete ebile ba namela ka morago ba sa namele ka pele. So ka morago ga mowe ino ile ya tsena fase ya shuma, and then go bile le diphetogo re share di-toilete le motho o moso kgona go namela ka pele ga jwale. Re no ba challenge mohlomongwe njwa le re na le yona e le ya accommodation mo e leng gore ba bashuube ba filwe dintlo, ba baso ba filwe kamora e tee.
Food Allied Workers Union itabasebenzi bavikelwa imithetho eminengana nanyana kunjalo kusasa neentjhijilo ezikhona.
On the contrary, you still have got farmers that are still operating like during the apartheid years. For example, you still have got farmers that are not complying with all the labor statutes that I've mentioned before in my speech.
Ikomishini yamalungelo obuntu ithi izokuqinisa isebenziswano layo nama-uniyoni ukuqinisekisa bona abasebenzi batshejwa ngefanelo.
Namhlanje kukhunjulwa ilanga labasebenzi ekhasini lethu le-Facebook. Siba umbono wakho ngabasebenzi mukeli nako uyalandela.
idlanzana lelo libereka nalo alakathabi la libereka khona.
Abaqeshi bayasisokolisa kakufanele babonyuse imali.
Uyabona njengoba imali inganyuki kodwa ukudla kenyuka upetrol uyenyuka nje.
Ubheka nje izimo abasebenza ngaphansi kwazo abasebenzi hayi azizinhle neze.
Mawuthi yabuka kumanje babhikisha bakhala ngokuthi abantu bokufika yibona abanikezwa amathuba omsebenzi ngani ngoba baholelwa imali encane.
Into engayikhuthaza abasebenzi ukuthi fanele bajoyine ama-union.
Navula emaplasini bayabereka abahlela bangabereki ilanga lakhona nje abasoze labhadala ngalendlela kukhambeka ngakhona nje.
Ama-South African amaningi ngibona bayabereka nanoma kwiholide.
La ekhaya eSouth Africa asitshejwa ni abasiniki ilanga engeke siyalo ngoba sifuna ukubeka ibrodo phezu kwetafula.
Basahlangabezana netingcilamba etinyendi tukwemkhakhale etside nakufika esikhathi sokuthi bakhone kuphumula labanye bacinzeteleka.
Umbona ngombukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono ombukeli.
Thola leyo link isa applya kodwa akasize siphendule.
Kuphehuka irawurawe empangeni KwaZulu-Natal lokho abantu abatsha abangasebenziko nabaza kuchakala ngaphandle kwesithabathaba sentolo esitsha. Siyakwamukela esigabeni sesibili sendaba zesiNdebele. Indaba lezi ziyatholakala ku-Facebook, X, YouTube na ku-TikTok. Asitrage nazo. Ake siqale kezinye imfunda bona ligidingwe njani ilanga labasebenzi.
KwaZulu-Natal umbuthano boseThekwini lapho isekela lokuthoma likanobhala zombelelo ANC uNomvula Mgonyane ajele abebagidinga ilanga labasebenzi eThekwini bona iSouth Africa iqinisekisa amalungelo abasebenzi kumthetho sisekelo lezweni.
Kusemazweni ambalwa lapho uthola khona ukuthi amalungelo abasebenzi abhaliwe kwi-constitution ye-country. It is here in South Africa where the rights of the workers are enshrined in the Bill of Rights, because the struggles of the workers are the struggles for the total emancipation of the people of South Africa.
Lapha ke kusePumalanga Kapa abantu sebathoma ukubabungala ngendaba yemsebenzi bathi kuyafana kwamsebenzi leyo ayikho umuntu sekuzibona umaqeda
ngamashita diplomile khoneni ayikho into esiyenzayo vele siqede nesigelo kodwa siqashwe
khona manje ukwazi ukuthola ispan from the cast lezi siphuma kulo but usho manje kumele ube imember ye-ANC ube ne-membership ye-ANC nokuthi ukwazi ukuthola ispan.
EThekwini Kapa khona abasebenzi bazwakalisa ukuthwenyeka ngokubiza kakhulu kwezinto. Bathi nakubasebenzi bayawuza umoya nanyana usebenza sekuyafana.
Normal families are struggling with today's prices, whether it's from fuel to groceries throughout.
I think we remember the workers who have died fighting for the basic rights. And I think that our 8-hour day, those fair wages.
Eyona ndaba kule basebenzini abanengi biza kwezinto ukuhlokeka kwemsebenzi kunya nokungalingani.
Amalunga we-EFF abuthene ndawonye njengengcenye yokukhumbula ilanga labasebenzi. I-EFF ithi umnqopho womnyanya lo kukhumbula ukuqakatheka komlando owenzeke eMarikana lapha kwahayilwa khona abantu khulukhulu labo abasalinde ukuliliswa. Umaleme kakhuluma embuthanweni welanga labasebenzi etatawini lezemidlalo iTlhapi Stadium eMarikana eTlhagwini Jingalanga.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi uyaraga umzabalazo wokulwela amalungelo wabasebenzi nobujamo obungcono bokuphila. Ukandelele nokuthi kufuze kuchugululwe ubujamo babasebenzi bemayini banikelwe nechejo elifaneleko lezempilo.
We'll continue to fight for the rights of the workers and the working class all over South Africa, Africa and the diaspora. Fighters, you can't have a mine here and have shacks next to a mine. Under the EFF government, that will be declared illegal. There must be a mine here, there must be beautiful houses here. There must be a mine here, there must be beautiful schools here. There must be a mine here, there must be beautiful hospitals here.
Kusesenjalo umkhulumeli we-EFF uSinawo Thambo uthi ukugidingwa kwelanga labasebenzi kusikhumbuzo sokuhlonipha abantu abahayilwa eMarikana ngo-2012. Wangezelela ngokuthi uyaraga umzabalazo wokulwela ubujamo obungcono bokusebenza nokuphila.
We know that the conditions of the people in the Northwest have not changed, even though there's so much mineral wealth that is surrounding them, there's underneath of them. The mining corporations in this province don't reinvest in the communities. They don't build schools, they don't build clinics, they don't uplift the people.
Umalima utshele abalandeli behlangano le ukuthi kufuze kuqalelelwe abasebenzi bemayini kwakhiwe nemtholapilo nembedlela eziyokuhlogomela abasebenzi aba.
Inkulungwana zabantu abatsha abangasebenzi kwempangeni KwaZulu-Natal bavukele emall esanda kwakhiwa bazokuchakalela ukuvulelwa amathuba wemisebenzi. Imall le phambilini beyaziwa ngeGreen Hills Mall okwanje ivuselelwe ngobutsha seyithiwe ngokuhlonipha umholi walokho we-IFP uMangosuthu Buthelezi.
Izinkulungwane zabantu abasha bangasebenzi babhikishe ngaphandle kwenxonxothela yezitolo ebivulwa empangeni befuna imisebenzi. IKwaZulu-Natal iyaqhubeka nokubhekana nesibalo esiphezulu sokuntuleka kwemisebenzi njengoba imibiko evela kumkhandlu kazwelonke wezifundazwe ukhombisa ukuthi bangu-41.9% abantu abangasebenzi okuyinselele kuso sonke isifundazwe. Iziphathimandla zithi kulindele ukuthi lenxonxothela yezitolo ithuthukise umphakathi wasempangeni futhi udale amathuba emisebenzi angaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezimbili.
Thola leyo link isa-aplya kodwa akasize siphendule ngisho kanjalo. Ukuza kwamlana besithi besinethemba lokuthi sizothathwa kule mall since vele ivulele la empangeni kwathiwa izovulela iyouth.
Ungqongqoshe zokubusa ngokubambisana umnumzana uVelenkosini Hlabisa uthi ukuvulwa kwale nxonxothela yezitolo kuzosimamisa umnotho wasemakhaya. Wagcizelela ukuthi zisazovulwa ezinye izitolo ngokuhamba kwesikhathi.
Lezi itolo ziyavulwa kusasa ngokusemthethweni. Intsha yakithi ebingasebenzi le ebesenhlanhleni ukuthola amathuba okusebenza isizovula imisebenzi.
Umndeni wakwaButhelezi ukuthokozele ukuqanjwa kwale nxonxothela yezitolo ngegama lomntwana wakaPhindangeni.
Umntwana ubeyothatha le mall ngokuthi ibe impumelelo kuyo. Okokuqala ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi kube nemisebenzi yabantu endaweni.
NginguNonhlakanipho Magwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC empangeni.
Siyalushisa ekhaya ngelanga labasebenzi sithembe ukuthi uphumule kamnandi napho ubujamo bezulu sibona lapha ke amathuba wezulu nge-3% kusuka phakathi nenarha yeSouth Africa kuthinteke lapha isifunda seFreystata eNorthwest ngaleke ngeGauteng ngeMbombela nangaleke endaweni zangale ngeRichards Bay esifundeni sange-KZN nge-30% kanti ke kusasa sibona lapha ke amathuba wezulu nge-30% lapha endaweni zange-Cape Town ulivaleke ngamafu ngale ngakubo Limpopo sithole lapha ke isilemukiso khona ngapha ngegwini la nge-Cape Town sibona lapha ke umoya onamandla owenza ukuthi ilwandle namhlanje libe bukhali. Sizokusuduka ukwazi ukubona ukuthi anjani amazinga wokushisa. Sithome ngapha ngesifundeni sange-Gauteng. Lapha ke esifundeni sange-Gauteng sibonakala sifunda sipholile nangokuhamba kwesikhathi. Kukulapha ePitori neBronkhorsspruit lapho kufuthumele khona nge-25 nange-24. Sifunda sange-Limpopo kusasa sifuthumele endaweni eziningi. Imusina yona ke iyachisa nange-30 iPhulukwane nge-25. Ngemva kwamadina siyocala lapha ke esifundeni seMpumalanga sibonakala sifuthumele esikhukhuza ukuthi kezinye indawo sipholile lapha eMelonga kumakhazana pheze imini yonke nge-19. Ngemva kwamadina siyocala KwaZulu Natal siyabona ukuthi naso ke sifuthumele endaweni eziningi kulapha eKokstad la kuphole khona nangemva kwamadina nge-22. Asiyocala ukuthi e-Eastern Cape khona kunjani sibona ke kuseni kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sifunda pheze sonke siyafuthumala ngaphandle kwalapha eMalitswayi kumakhaza imini yonke. Siyalapha ke Western Cape ngale nge-Cape Town kumakhaza nakhona imini yonke kuthi ke izindawo kuphole ke ngokufuthumala. Siyocala ngale ngesifundeni sange-Northern Cape khona ke kusasa nakhona ke kuthoma kumakhazana ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sifunda siyaphola lapha eSutherland kumakhazana pheze imini yonke neda nge-19 ngemva kwamadina. iFreystata ke leya ebonakala nayo ke iGaribdem neViepenar nangale ngeFixburg kumakhazana imini yonke kuthi ke ezinye indawo zonke kuyaphola ngemva kwamadina. iNorthwest kokugcina sisibona ke sifunda sithoma sipholile ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kezinye indawo njengalapha eMahikeng kuyafuthumala nge-25. Asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako. Dido.